You've probably seen the advertisements for Coinbase's program to earn free cryptocurrency just for learning about it. Well, I've seen those too. And after like the 10th time, I was so curious that I went ahead and signed up for Coinbase and took the courses. And in the process, I earned some really easy money. Well, if you're interested in learning how much free cryptocurrency I was able to earn and tips for getting started with Coinbase Learn, then make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chris and welcome back to the Lifestyle Design Show, the #1 place for young adults to learn about personal finance and entrepreneurship. So first, let's talk about what is Coinbase Learn? Well, basically, on the Coinbase platform, you can watch educational videos about different cryptocurrency projects, and then after each video, you take a quiz. And the quizzes are super easy. And then after you complete the quiz, you'll earn free crypto. Now, how much crypto can you actually earn? Well, it ranges from about $3 to $10 in the different cryptocurrencies. But overall, when you take all of the courses available, you'll earn about $36 worth of crypto. So now that you know what Coinbase Learn is, let's talk about how to get started. But first, I want to say that this is not investment advice, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. So to get started, you first need a Coinbase account. So once you sign up for Coinbase, how long is the approval process before you can actually begin taking these courses? Well, it varies. For most people, it takes about 2 days. But I've seen people who say that it could take way longer. So a couple pro tips for getting your account verified faster is #1, you want to upload your ID and get that verified as soon as possible. And #2, this is more anecdotal, but if you transfer money into your Coinbase account and you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or pretty much any coin on the platform, many people say that that allows you to get into the Coinbase learning program faster. And I did this personally. And you don't need any sort of referral to get into the Coinbase Learn program. Coinbase is currently offering a sign-up bonus of $5 in free Bitcoin just for signing up and verifying your ID. But if you do use a referral link, you'll earn $10 in free Bitcoin. And if you're interested in that, make sure to check out the link in the description. So once you get approved, what's the actual learning process like? Well, in my opinion, it was super easy. The lessons, the graphics, and the explanations on the different crypto projects were all really great. Now, there's currently only 6 courses available, but it only took me about 45 minutes to complete all of them. Talk about a great return on investment. Now, here's a quick breakdown of the different coins I earned and what their utility is. So first, I earned about $6 of Cello Gold. And Cello is an open platform for digital payments, and they want to make financial tools borderless. Next, I earned about $3 worth of Ampleforth. Ampleforth is an Ethereum protocol with automatically adjusting supply. Then I earned about $3 of New Cipher. And New Cipher is all about data privacy for public blockchains. I earned about $10 in Stellar Lumens. And Stellar Lumens is an open network for moving money, and it unites the world's financial infrastructures so money can flow quickly and cheaply between banks, businesses, and people. Next, I earned about $3 of The Graph. And The Graph is a decentralized protocol for indexing blockchain data. And lastly, I earned about $9 of Compound. And Compound is a protocol running on Ethereum that lets individuals, developers, and applications earn interest on their crypto without relying on third parties. Now, the value of these coins will fluctuate, but overall, it works out to being about $36 in total payout. Now, there used to be a lot more courses that you could take and more money that you can earn. And if you go to the Coinbase Learn website and you scroll all the way down, you'll see all of the different courses that used to be available, but unfortunately are not currently active. But I am keeping my eyes peeled for the potential for some of these courses to open back up in the future and provide more earning opportunities. So now let's jump into some of the pro tips about the Coinbase Learn program. And the first pro tip is that all the answers are online. Now, of course, I don't condone cheating, but use this information wisely because all of the quiz questions are available on Reddit threads. But even if you are finding the answers online, it's still a good idea to learn a little bit about these different crypto projects because crypto and blockchain is the future. Another pro tip is whether you should keep the different coins that you earn or if you should sell them and buy more established cryptos like Ethereum or Bitcoin. And I've seen this question all over the internet. And here's my opinion on it. The biggest factor is the Coinbase fees. So if you sell out of all of the coins that you earn from the Coinbase Learning program, you'd be paying about $6.44 in total fees. And that's not even including the fees to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, because right there, that'd be an extra $2 to $3. So these fees are a big deterrent for selling your altcoins. And the term altcoin just means any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. Now, aside from the fees, let's look at the growth potential for some of these crypto projects. Let's start with Cello Gold. And right now, it's at around $5.50. But the 5-year price target has it at about $20. Compound is another great example, where right now it's at around $734, but Outlook has the price at about $1,500. And the graph is currently at about $1.66, but the 5-year price target has it at $23. You also have to consider that right now it's altcoin season, especially when you look at projects like Dogecoin or even SafeMoon that don't even have real use cases but have still gone to the moon. So in my personal opinion, when factoring in the Coinbase fees and factoring in potential future growth for these altcoins, my plan is just to hodl the free crypto that I earned from the Coinbase Learn platform. Another reason that I'm choosing to just hold on to these coins is because it reminds me of the free stocks that I earned from Robinhood and Webull and the opportunity cost that I missed out on by selling these stocks for cash and investing it into other things rather than just holding these free stocks. And I actually made an Excel sheet to see how much money I could have had if I didn't sell. So some of the free stocks that I earned included Plug Power, Zynga, GE, etc. And I missed out on a total of $141.90 by selling out of these free stocks and in turn either keeping the cash or moving it into other investments. So I learned my lesson, and from now on, I plan on hodling. So I want to rate Coinbase Learn on the side hustle review scale. But before I do that, I want to mention one other way to earn free cryptocurrency from the Coinbase platform. And that's by setting up a reoccurring buy order of at least $50. And you'll earn $5 of free Bitcoin after your second reoccurring buy. And this applies for whether your reoccurring buy is for Ethereum or Bitcoin. It doesn't really matter. But something to note is it's only a one-time promotion. You don't get $5 each time your reoccurring buy order goes through. It's only after the second time. And it's also worth noting that you can get $10 in free Bitcoin for every friend that you refer to the platform. All right, so what would I rate Coinbase Learn on the side hustle review scale of 1 to 10? Well, I would give it an 8.9. Coinbase Learn was an extremely easy and smooth process to learn more about cryptocurrency and to get paid in the process. And like I mentioned earlier, it's super quick too. You can finish all of the courses in about 30 to 45 minutes. But the reason that I'm not giving this side hustle a 10 out of 10 is because you're not making actual cash. It's not something that you could pay your bills with. And if you do want to sell your crypto that you earn for cash, you're going to be paying about $6.44 in Coinbase fees. So it's really better to just hold on to the coins that you earn from this program. So that pretty much covers all you need to know about Coinbase Learn. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got some value out of it. And good luck getting your free cryptocurrency. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to demolish the like button, smash the subscribe button, and make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm posting on there pretty much every single day. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you on the moon. Crypto! Cryptocurrency! Dogecoin! Ugh, Dogecoin. I hate Dogecoin. Free crypto? Say less. Catch y'all next time.